Good evening, students. Myself, Deepak Dudeja, Registrar Geeta Engineering College, Panipat, wants to clear the instructions regarding the KUK exams to be held from 10th of September. This is the first time Kurukshetra University Kurukshetra has conducted the exam online, and they have issued very clear instructions regarding everything: how to download admit card, how student can get the question paper, and they can submit the answer sheet to concerned college or university. Even then, students have many queries regarding the video conferencing, video calling, how to attempt the paper, how to submit, and what can they do if net disconnects. So in this meeting, I am clearing every instruction issued by KUK from the scratch.
After getting mail ID of student, I will send question paper to every student on that mail ID only. After getting question paper, student have to attempt on the answer sheet as format shared in the groups. First page must be your roll number. You have to send 21 pages answer sheet. First page of your roll number scanning. After that, you have attempted your paper. From your question paper, you have to attempt maximum 50% of the content. If question paper have 10 questions, then you have to attempt 5 questions. If question paper has 8 questions, then you have to attempt 4 questions. Maximum 50% content will be considered for your marking. After attempting, you have to scan the answer sheet with your roll number and send on the same email ID. Your answer sheet must be saved with your roll number and your subject code. Suppose your roll number is 4916701 CE2301. Then your answer sheet must be saved in the same format. First your roll number, then your subject code. And you have to send on the same email ID, that is examkuk2020@geeta.edu.in. Any other communication except this mail ID will not be considered, and you have to communicate only with your registered email ID. Otherwise, your answer sheet will not be considered. The regular question paper, if you are a regular student and your exam is 2nd, 4th, 6th, 8th semester, then you will get your question paper by 10 a.m. and in case of free appear, you will get question paper by 2 p.m. And maximum, in case of morning session, you have to send your answer sheet by 1 p.m. and in case of evening session, you have to send your answer sheet by 5 p.m. After 3 hours, answer sheet will not be considered and will not be evaluated. As instruction issued by Kurukshetra University, your first page must have the following information: your university roll number in figures, in words, name of student, class, semester, name of paper, your paper name, your code of the paper, total number of pages written by candidate. Suppose you have written only 9 pages or 10 pages, then you have to mention in the first page you have attempted only 10 pages. Date of exam and your signature. On every sheet of your answer sheet, you must have sign. During the examination, we will share you the Google Meet, Zoom or any URL link for video calling, maybe WhatsApp calling. So all are requested. If you will get any Google Meet or Zoom link, then you have to click it only. We will check you surprisingly. In case your net is not working, means you are comes under 2G or 2G or less than 2G LTE, then there is no issue. You have to give the proof. You are Jammu student, you are living in Jammu and there is no net facility, then you have to send a mail. I am from Jammu and sir, my Google Meet is not working after the examination. In case of local Haryana students and other Delhi NCR and where net facility is good, then you have to attend the Google Meet or Zoom meeting in the whole time. And in case all of you have read the instructions of KUK, I think you have to attempt your paper in the blue black ball pen. It's common, and if anybody is facing any problem regarding the admit card, then you have to call your HOD. He or she may solve the problem. In case he or she is busy, then you have to call your class in charges. In the last, if you are not getting your admit card, you have to call me directly. I am seeing the query regarding the downloading of question paper. Students, it's your choice. If you can note down your question paper in the answer sheets, then you have to attempt, or you can parallel see the question paper and then you have to attempt. It's your choice only. There is no instruction regarding the downloading or note down the question paper from the university side. And in case of Afghanistan students, instructions are the same for all. Either Indian students, either Afghani students, either Nepali students, or either Bangladeshi students. Instructions are common for all, and we have to follow. All students, if you have any query, then text me in the chat box.
Or the students may raise their hands, I will unmute them. If some student is willing to make some query, put your name in chat box, I will unmute you. After that, you may raise your query here. Just put your name.
Shikat, you are asking about Bangladeshi students. I already told you instruction, KUK instruction is common for all students, either Bangladeshi or Afghani. If you have any specific query, you can ask. Only terminal semester means 8th semester regular students and 2nd, 4th, 6th reappear students. Exams will be conducted. So no need to worry. 2nd, 4th, 6th regular exams will not be conducted. Only reappear students can appear.
Okay, students, मैंने आप सभी को अनम्यूट करने के लिए परमिट कर दिया है. आप में से कोई क्वेरी करना चाहता है तो डायरेक्ट आप खुद को अनम्यूट अब कर लीजिए. मालूम है सर कि ये आप क्वेरीज ऑलरेडी दे चुके हैं, लेकिन फिर क्योंकि कोई क्वेरी आ रही है कल की डेट में कोई दिक्कत ना रहे, इसीलिए मैं ये क्वेरीज रिपीट कर रहा हूँ. वीडियो कॉल की ड्यूरेशन बच्चे को क्या रखनी होगी? क्या थ्रू आउट एग्जाम वीडियो कॉल चलेगा?
सर थ्रू आउट एग्जाम के लिए इंस्ट्रक्शंस आए हुए हैं. जब तक कॉलेज जो है मीटिंग को टर्मिनेट नहीं करता तब तक बच्चा ऑनलाइन रहेगा.
ओके सर, एक क्वेरी आई है सर, प्लीज टेल द फॉर्मेट इन विच आंसर शीट नीड टू बी सेव्ड. जो आंसर शीट है उसे किस फॉर्मेट में सेव करके हम उसको जो है लें?
फर्स्ट योर रोल नंबर, सेकंड इज योर सब्जेक्ट कोड. 49 for example 4916701 CE-301. This is your answer sheet name.
Okay.
Roll number plus paper code. चीज मैं और क्लियर करना चाहूंगा सारे स्टूडेंट्स को. जितने भी रीअपीयर रेगुलर के स्टूडेंट्स हैं, पहले चेक कर लें कि क्वेश्चन पेपर सही मिला है या नहीं मिला. अगर किसी ने रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन पेपर अटेम्प्ट किया है तो उसकी मार्किंग नहीं होगी बिल्कुल भी, ना ही रिजल्ट आएगा. तो वेरीफाई कर लें आपका सब्जेक्ट नेम, सब्जेक्ट कोड 100 मार्क्स का है, 75 का है, 80 का है, तो पहले ही वेरीफाई कर लें. कोई क्वेरी है, डाउट है तो पहले क्लियर कर लेना।